Oh my god. Oh, look, you just escaped. She's double D's. Make her feel like a real woman. What's her name? Snowmageddon Extravaganza. Yeah.
We're finally coming out of a New Year's hibernation because we kind of got simultaneously snowed in and then New Year's came, so we just wanted to stay in and cozy, but every day we're like, we'll go out in the snow tomorrow. So here we are finally out, just enjoying this gorgeous New Year's snow.
We wouldn't know what fresh air feels like because we haven't left the house in 3 or 4 days.
Basically.
Well, I haven't left the house in 3 or 4 days.
Right.
This feels fabulous. We had to climb up a little mountain to get out here from our backyard, and I was slipping the whole way up, so I almost didn't even make it. Like, we started this project so long ago, it feels like at least 3 weeks. Right?
Yeah.
So I don't even remember what our filming was like at the time, if we even have an intro or an opening or anything. We had just a lot of things going on, as I'm sure everybody did over the holidays, so we got a little wrapped up with that. But yeah, we're ready to finish up this bathroom video, part 1, and then continue on in this New Year bus home building journey. But first, a little gallop in the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, and Happy New Year. We didn't even say Happy New Year.
I know, rude.
So tonight we're working on some cabinet doors for underneath our couch and also our wardrobe. So yeah, that's our night. We're just hanging out, enjoying the fire, and working on this project. DIY
It would
dowel.
be really nice if we had there's like a little machine, like a dowel punch machine.
Ooh, really? A machine?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get one of those.
No, not tonight. Want a beer?
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
Let's have a cold one. This needs a deeper hole, but
Don't we all?
What? It's Christmas!
Well, we're going to start on our bathtub today. We have what we think is a 100-gallon trough. It is a galvanized steel trough.
Yeah, like a horse feeding trough, I suppose. We were looking online and we wanted to buy like a really compact size like Japanese soaking tub, but they're all thousands and thousands of dollars. So we started looking at like maybe getting one of those smaller copper soaking tubs, and they were also thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. We were just like looking and looking and looking at all kinds of things we could soak our bodies in. And we found a feeding trough.
There she is.
There she is.
Isn't that perfect? Are you getting like warm water vibes in there?
Warm water vibe.
And then we have a hammered copper treatment that we're going to do to it.
Spray paint girl. First, we're gonna start with a little goof off and just get some of that goo off of there. Got a little residue from some of the stickers. Mash it down nice and mashed.
Come mash with me.
Pretty. Ugh, gorgeous. Ah!
A little heart.
Aww. I'm gonna pull it. So we're at the final end of this first bathroom video. I suppose it's probably like the full bathroom video because all we really need is the shower curtain, right?
Yeah.
And our plumbing, I guess. So yeah, it is the first part of our bathroom.
Oh, the shower. Yeah. The water heater shower.
Yeah, so the whole component we're still waiting on, but the actual structure of our bathroom is like done, except for a shower curtain. We just got done doing a couple of final little tidbits.
This was the easiest thing, I think, so far.
Yeah, it was
right?
super easy. We didn't even have to use any heavy pieces of wood or anything, just like 1x2s and 1x3s.
There's a lot of little tiny projects wrapped up into this. But
Yeah.
it's like absolutely perfect. It's
Yeah.
ready. And
But these pieces we
Amazing.
just threw together in our house, like in a night. So I'm happy enough with this video to just give you the grand reveal, and then we'll see you in the next video. Which we'll be moving on to our bed frame, and that's pretty much it for the inside. But anyway, I digress. Happy New Year, y'all. You guys are the best.
yeah, bye.
Bye.